Oh, someone just disappeared next to me.
Alex Peak has got bad lag.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh god, some people are pulling away so badly.
Yeah, because probably because we don't know how to start in a GT3.
Yeah, I didn't either. I guess I got lucky.
This is gonna be a bad crash, guys.
Are you in the Porsche?
Crashing. No.
Oh, everyone almost
Went
took me
around
the
it.
fuck out.
Dr.
Sorry,
Steve Burke almost took everybody out.
Okay, just
Oh, sorry.
Careful,
Oh, there's too many people here for my brain to
Nice and
process.
slow, nice and slow, guys. Nice and slow.
Okay, I'm gonna fall back because I want turn 1 to be the slowest ever. I'm gonna be the last person.
I'm sorry, Alex Peak.
Okay,
One's
don't
hitting
forget your
already.
full tires into turn 1.
Oh,
I wanted to drive
there's a
towards
big
my
crash.
teammate.
Big crash. Watch out, watch out. Slow down, slow down.
Cass,
Hard.
come on.
Flag, yellow
Oh,
flag.
someone hit me, someone hit me. Oh,
I teleport back to pits with him. There's no way to save him.
shit. Dude, Cass. What happened?
Alright, Ebu, I'm starting at the pits.
Hey, I just made 3 places.
I'm so foggy.
Okay. Queen Bee. Oh, Queen, I see you now.
Oh. Yeah, well, I lost all my speed there, so... Oh, and my front diffuser is broken. Fucking great.
So you can pit in more than one location. There's two pits, right?
I wouldn't try it.
I think you only have a pit stall.
Oh wait, no, it's
There's only one pit.
oh, okay, only one
where
pit.
you
That's
start.
How fast is that AMG on the straight?
White.
Oh god, I've got no...
Yankle.
Wait, do you have some overlay on that you can see who was in first?
I don't.
Antonio's in first, I'm in second. I don't know who's in third.
Sadly in third, or...
Yeah, that's
You can use your mouse to like hit the settings in the pit menu so you can be able to do something.
That's a content manager option.
Yeah.
To use a different pit menu, which is what I said.
And I missed the pit. Awesome.
If I turn on the mouse option, it just doesn't show a pit menu anymore.
Otherwise,
Yeah, until I'm stationary.
activated.
Hey, you guys were pitting.
I think it put me back into qualifying.
It'll say in your setup screen if you are in qualifying.
Section. Oh, race, 12 laps. Okay. It just says there's 40 minutes left in time.
Oh, Queen Bee didn't set it up right. If it's just 40 minutes.
Sadly, it's gonna come back now. Yeah, because when you put this on max fuel, 2 laps and your tires are dead.
Fronts?
Rears.
I would say maybe it is in the rear.
But also, I don't know, I don't do setups very well, and I stole Santley's one.
We're catching a Porsche. Who's in the Porsche?
Which one?
You don't have the player name
Alright,
overlay on?
I do, but I'm too far away from them.
If you are up by the fuck show, whatever, Fox
I feel like
Yeah.
Dr. Steve
Yeah,
and
that's
I've now forced.
Fuck
That's
show.
me. Fuck show. Whatever the fuck it
Oh,
says.
hey, Barbara.
What up?
Oh, Barber is the one who hit it.
Yeah, my tires were spent. But I did 7 laps.
But
Well,
the
yeah.
game
Not
won't
if you're
actually
called
go to-
Ocon.
How pissed would you be if I did a pit maneuver?
I mean, if you can catch me.
I just don't stop at the corner.
That's up, it's crazy.
I like how I'm so slow to
They're
first.
cold now, but watch the rate at which they heat up. Your fronts stay colder much longer than your rears. Your rears were red by the time that your fronts actually got warmed up.
Alright, Axel, I think I need to pit for fuel and tire change after this lap.
Me too. I'm getting close to the pit now.
Okay.
The only thing I don't like is that it shows the track outlines,
Yeah.
which go in front of my usual field of vision.
Oh, just put it. I put it up on top.
Yeah, my screen's not that big. And then it would be in front of my mirror.
You can shrink down the size of it. You can resize that window. I resized mine to something like this.
By the way, if you want to pass me, just tell me, because I know you're objectively faster.
No. I'll let you know. Okay? No pressure. Don't feel pressure, because that's when we all make mistakes.
By the way, judging by the way you talk, where are you from?
California.
The game shows you're from Italy.
I'm behind 4 proxies right now.
Okay.
I'm also from a California accent. No wonder you sound like you're like me.
Yeah.
That sounded like a self-burn.
Self-burn, whatever.
Well, my culture is based around of chocolate sprinkles and flowers, so that's not anything to be proud of either.
At least it's not known for fucking rodents and maple syrup.
To be honest, maple syrup is like the only thing I know about Canada.
Hockey. Lightness.
I don't know the word
I
mountain.
honestly associate hockey with America.
Everything I know about Canada.
Canadian.
I mean,
Right
Irish
there.
hockey or regular hockey?
What?
What do you consider
Well, we
regular hockey?
practice hockey here just on grass.
That is not regular.
That's not hockey.
Field hockey.
Field hockey.
Yeah, that's what girls play.
We just call it hockey.
You need to get some triggered Canadians in here saying that.
The field hockey.
Those
It's
are
here
called
like-
freedom lanes. buddy.
Unpatriotic.
It's here like the second you move over in a left lane, you're pressured by someone who's coming at you at like 150 to go back to the right lane.
Oh, buddy.
And my car only has 60 horsepower, so that's fun.
What? That's
Six
not a
rounds
car, that's a
here.
go-kart. I didn't even know you could buy a car with 60 horsepower.
It's a Chevrolet Spark, basically a Daewoo from Korea.
Another massive flex that the Europeans have is city cars because they actually.
It's also really weird for me to say so much sounds in English. Like everything we say is either a G or a T, but those are pronounced like T or G. So I really have to swallow my tongue in order to say things.
Man, Bandit just flew.
Shit, or you can't park anywhere without paying 10 euros an hour.
Yeah, that part I'm so surprised at how people do it. How countries.
Not everyone in the city just cycles. Or public transport, but it's about equally as fast
Wait,
because
fucking
so
shit.
many people. And that's one nice thing, we do get free public transport further to the left in order to go straight.
Yeah. You got damaged suspensions.
That's an understatement. Well, I actually
Yeah,
had this in my
Antonio's
real
weaving
car
on the
for
straight.
once.
He's what?
Weaving on the straight to break toe.
I like your funny words. But I saw that like paint drawing once in the Convoy Trainer chat with
Yeah, that's
English.
Yes.
I'm now also starting to understand why there's so much shit about Americans on the internet who are complaining about that.
Leaders on final lap.
Oh boy. I'm like 2 laps, a number of laps, and you see it hasn't counted down until I crossed the finish.
Yeah, I understand. I just turned that default leaderboard off once and just forgot about it. Watch it for a while.
Get the code to
Yeah.
rewrite everything.
Oh yeah, because well, who made that script or whatever I should call it?
Roadrunner.
It was him.
Who?
Roadrunner.
Oh, him.
RoadRunner QC.
I wonder, remember when the Mazda 787 was a mod, and then it got incorporated into the Japanese pack? Did the
Yeah.
modder